The clash is over now. And I can see Subi lying on the ground. I could see lazy and praying over him. Shitstorm him a cry tears. Him say gun Godzilla never have to kill Subi. Watch. Can I flip the script now, nation people? Yes. I surely flip the script, nation people. Hear me now. So Subi dead, and you know, a me response for start out the funeral. You know a J.A. Radio, aka Pastor Wiz, I go send him home, I go send him off after all. No gimmicks business no inna it, you know. You watch all the way how I represent. So let me read out the first Gun Godzilla Corinthian chapter 60 caliber. Then they ask Gun Godzilla, why do you kill Subi? Gun Godzilla repeat, he's too nasty. He's been sucking sister pussy from him a tree. Watch. So hear me now, nation people. Because I see everybody a run out and I talk about how Gun Godzilla run. After Subi drop 2 songs were flop. None of them now counteract Bounty Killer nor none of that. When me see him a do, it look like a footer hype him a give beer highlight. It look like a footer hype him a promote to me. So all of this where Subi claim him a do. Let me tell you something. You ain't doing shit. Them song there, knock off. Them not work. You see me? So you know the Gun Godzilla now go answer you. Because you're dead and buried right about now. And we are leave the mystery and the history for J.A. Radio, aka Pastor Wiz. Because anytime them man they send home people, you know, let me tell you, it's all forgotten. The last artist get sent burial and sent home. All know him can't find a hit song. No gimmicks thing not there about it. No lollipop thing not in the game. Yeah, so me I deal with see the way how me I represent. You know, me clean like a whistle. A Subi funeral. No joke shit not there about it, you know. No lollipop thing not there in it. Call him Randy. Roberto Trilli. A straight Italian me go. No gimmicks not in my game. No lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? Right now we don't want to hear nothing from Subi. You're dead. The 2 songs them couldn't even make one. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not there about it. You hear me? No lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? The Gun Godzilla remain the undisputed. You see me? Heavyweight champion. Said way. You see what I say? Yeah. No gimmicks thing that they in it. You can't match up with spin barrel. You can't match up with target practice. You can't match up with murderation. None of them things that way you drop now strike, no factor. No gimmicks business not there about it. You're dead. I see you have shit up storm. You see what I say? I go like say, him want highlight, be a foolish about how man I run from you or whatever. Me not expect shitty storm to say nothing better. Because you know you ever talk like you want to go against Subi, every one of your video them have to come down all you, otherwise your channel gets strike like Dynamite and you know that. No gimmicks business not there about it. So you have to be a Subi jockstrap sniffer. Yeah, so I say, where you want to go down in the coffee with him? Do you think he'll have no problem doing that? You want to go down there with him? You think he'll have no problem doing that? I know games, this is a think a joke shit with that talk about. You know what I mean? Look how me that want and never want here. You can't manage Gun Godzilla, my brother. You don't have it in you. You don't have what it takes. You don't have the witty style, the witty lyrics them with megaphors and silly me for challenge the Gun Godzilla. No, all you do you have some, you use a sing J. So you know you have melody in your voice and them shit when you do your chord. That can't manage Gun Godzilla, my brother. Cause no number one song when I sing for a Clash in our deal. That's what I say. And you don't know the routine of Clash. Gun Godzilla know the shortcut pan the Clash stage. You see me? You don't know the shortcut because you never been through a Clash yet. You're inexperienced when it come on to Clash. And that's why you're dead. You see what I say? Yeah. And that's why them send for me for open out the church service. You see what I say? So, adapt me a donation people and look from this JA Radio aka Wiz. I go take over from me and him I go send off Subi. You see what I say? No gimmicks business, not dead about it, no lollipop thing, not into it. You know what I mean? The war is over now. And I can see Subi lying on the ground. I could see Lazy and Lady and praying over him. Rick Storm in my cry tears. Him say Gun Godzilla never have to kill Subi. Watch. No gimmicks thing. No lollipop. You're welcome. No lollipop thing in it. Alright. You know how I represent already. Real way. Gaza way. There ain't no other way. And have to big up on yourself, nation people. Although the work not started, because here we go on. The Vybz Kartel and Massacre, you know, I wake up and it the number 17 on the iTunes chart already, you know, you see me? No, we don't get to work right and properly way yet because you don't know. Look from this, you know, even when we go over I Am Coffee Tea, they know say the people, them pam, or the ants, them, I go buy it and support it. So I expect the song to drop number one in anytime soon. Wait, a full moon? Yeah, we'll get to that very soon. No joke thing, no that about it. Yeah, I expect it to drop number one on the iTunes chart because I wake up and it then number 17. And all know the ants them not get to work yet. So anytime the ants them get to work, look up from this, a straight number one. No gimmicks thing in my game, you know. No lollipop thing in it, you know. You don't know how I represent already. A Gaza way, there ain't no other way. You don't know, so be dead. You know what I mean? And him can't come back. No joke shit not dead about it. And shit storm, nah lazy and it no matter what I say when I can't bring him back. So once again, you know, the general the 10-star one, I represent of Subi funeral, you know me them send for open out the funeral. And you know, look from this JA Radio, I go send him off. So no gimmicks thing not dead about it, nation people. Once again, can I flip the script? Yes. I sure flip the script, nation people. Once again. The war is over now. And I can see Subi lying on the ground. I could see Lazy and Lady and praying over him. Shitstorm a cry, said them kill Subi. Watch. The generality. Alright. I wanna represent. You see what I say? The place I get too crowded, so I have to move very shortly. I don't want to know my video. One star, 10-star, general represent. Watch.